Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the product. Seafile offers a unique approach to file syncing and sharing, distinguishing itself from more conventional cloud storage platforms. Instead of simply mirroring your files in the cloud, Seafile allows you to create dedicated libraries, which function as self-contained repositories for your data. This granular control provides a heightened level of organization and flexibility, allowing you to manage different projects, teams, or even individual client data with clear separation. This library-centric system also enables sophisticated version control. Every change you make to a file within a Seafile library is tracked, allowing you to easily revert to previous versions should the need arise. This feature is invaluable for collaborative projects, ensuring that no progress is ever lost and providing a clear audit trail of modifications. Beyond its core synchronization and versioning capabilities, Seafile also offers robust file sharing features. You can share entire libraries or individual files with specific users, granting them varying levels of access, from read-only permissions to full collaborative editing rights. External sharing is also facilitated, making it easy to distribute files to clients or colleagues who don't have a Seafile account. Seafile places a strong emphasis on security, employing client-side encryption to protect your data both in transit and at rest. This means your files are encrypted before they ever leave your device, ensuring that only authorized users with the correct decryption key can access them. This focus on privacy makes Seafile an attractive option for individuals and organizations handling sensitive information. Furthermore, Seafile offers a range of deployment options. You can utilize their cloud-hosted service for a hassle-free experience, or alternatively, deploy Seafile on your own server for maximum control and data sovereignty. This flexibility allows you to tailor the platform to your specific needs and security requirements. In conclusion, Seafile presents a compelling alternative to traditional cloud storage solutions. Its focus on libraries, robust version control, secure sharing, and flexible deployment options make it a powerful tool for individuals and teams looking for a more controlled and private way to manage their files. Check out the link below to learn more and explore Seafile for yourself.